Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So today we got another carrier for the baby. So we're gonna try this new one out. It got pretty decent review on Amazon. Like always, I'll put the description down below so you can go check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so I'm gonna unbox it and then we're gonna go test it out with the baby. So this carrier is called SUNVENO. It's called Smart Travel Assistant for Baby. It just came in today, so I'm gonna unbox it. I like the color. Purple is one of my favorite colors, so I'm liking the design. All right. So not much else in here. It's just in this big old bag. So this is the baby carrier. We got a info book, warranty card. I am not sure what this is. I think this is for the strap. Man, how do I open this? Oh, comes right off. Okay, so anyway, so this is it. I just kind of unbuckle everything. SUNVENO, nurturing forward with style since 2005. So this is kind of a new company, but it got pretty good reviews and stuff. So yeah, since I'm be the one that gonna wear it the most, is so I'll be testing out with the baby. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, so after a week of testing this is actually pretty good. So my wife found out about this brand, SUNVENO, on Facebook, and but she was able to find a third-party seller on Amazon as well. Okay, so here are some of the breakdown. I took this apart, like it became like three different parts. So one here, and one here. It's quite easy to wash this. All you have to do is just take it apart and then put them into the washing machine. But you cannot machine dry this. So make sure once you have done washing it, just leave it outside to air dry it. Now, another thing you have to be careful is this is the seat. This bone has to be taken out before you can wash this in the washing machine. Okay, let me show you how to put it on. It's quite simple. So here is the seat. This is where the baby going to sit. Now throwback 80s, right? It's going to be the the fanny pack. And make sure that you have buckle. Well, here's the Velcro. You put on the Velcro, and then like so. Now here's the shoulder strap. So as you can see here, they have a zipper. So that's the bottom portion here. Here's a zipper as well. What you need to do is just make sure that the zipper zip up. So here's two buttons. I typically just button it up, give it a little bit more secure. So here are the straps. Now, what I mentioned before, if you see my wife's the other videos about the baby carriers, I'll link the video up top if you haven't seen it. So the baby carriers that she tested out, all of them require quite a bit of movement, like with the baby on your baby carrier before you can do this. So I like this one a lot because as you can see, I don't have the baby in front of me, right? So I can actually secure this thing before I put the baby on. So you flip one side over. Here is the buckle that goes in right in this right there, and then you flip the other one over, Now you can adjust this by pulling the straps on the side to make sure that you are snug. Now, as you can see, the baby is not even here, but I'm able to put this thing on before I have the baby here. So I think it's much easier for me to do it. Well, granted, I'm the one that's gonna use the baby carrier a lot. So I want something that's easier to use and easier to handle. I don't want to hold the baby and then I do the straps. I think that's more dangerous that way. A lot of baby carriers out there does require the baby is already inside the pouch before you start securing it. Because otherwise, the way they secure it is the strap is outside where the baby is inside and then it goes around. So you cannot really secure the baby after you already strap on. So then the last piece, and also here is a zipper and here is the other side. And so what you do is you zip it up like so, and there's two buttons here like so. Now I can have the baby and grab the baby here and then strap on. Here is the buckle that you have to put on here. You have to hear the clicking sound to make sure that it's being secure. So that's how this thing can be set up. And let me show you with the baby on. Hi, say hi. Baby, say hi. Okay, so now I have the baby. Now as you can see, you can just have the baby sit on top of the seat and then just flip this over. You can have the arms either in here or out, so it doesn't really matter. What you do is you take this buckle and you have to hear the clicking, the click sound to make sure that it's been secure. Now, so this is it. And they have this little thing here. You can hold it over the head. We have the two sunny outside, and here are the buttons for you to secure this. But I tend not to use this if the baby is facing forward. And to let the baby out, what you do is just squeeze on top of the button and pull up. Same thing here. And now you release the baby. Now what you can do is to have the baby sit this way as well. Like so. So as you can see, the baby now is facing this way. Now you can put this over. So this can be a shield for the baby if you're outside when it's too sunny outside. So yeah, this is how this thing would be. I extremely like this seat. Not only I shift the weight to my entire back, so my shoulder is not tense now, and I'd be able to walk around outside much longer compared to how it used to be because of this seat. While I have the baby here, there are a couple of pouches. One on the right, there's a zipper. Now, for all the mommy out there, I know you guys have purses, and my wife has a purse every time she go out. But with this, technically you can just put your phone and your wallet here. So on the left hand side, there's a cup holder, and it's pretty handy. You can just put your milk here. Now, as you can see, this is pretty snug already, so it won't really fall off. But if you have something much skinnier, there's buttons here that you can tighten up so this thing will not fall off. And there's one more pouch as the front. Here you might have to put something like a diaper because of the foam that's inside here that's round edge, so you can't really put something too flat, otherwise it might not fit. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And there's also, look at all those pouches, man. I feel like a kangaroo, mama kangaroo. So aside from this pouch, here's another thing that it relieves heat from the baby. So during the summertime, you can just open this up and let the heat out. But yeah, I found this to be quite useful. Look here, there's another pouch. So we have what? 1, 2, 3, and a cup holder. So there are three main ways of using this, and let me show you how they really work. So I have to unbuckle him and let me show you. All right, so this is the first way of using this baby carrier. What you need is, as you can see, it's quite simple. It's just a seat. So this is for newborn up to 6 months, and you don't need the strap here or the front here as well. Just the fanny pack. And well, obviously, can only be used at home because it's not advised to go out because there's no shoulder strap. And what you need to do is just place the baby onto the seat, so you can just walk around inside the house and have a hand free to do whatever it is that you need to do, or to get a milk bottle to feed the baby, so to speak. So this is the first way. Okay, so the second way that you can do it is having the baby with the strap on, with the front on, and having the baby facing you. So this is the second way you can do it from 6 months all the way to 36 months as well. So this is actually, pretty convenient. You can also flip him around. That's another way of using this baby carrier. So let me just show you real quick. Okay, so there. That's another way. So yeah, front and facing you or facing out. So that's another way. Okay, so the last position is also without the strap, without the front. What you do is use the seat, you turn it onto your side, to your hip, and basically it's from 18 months to 36 months. And so you have the baby sitting here. This is only for demonstration. Our baby is not old enough to sit on the side. So yeah, this is the last position that you can use this baby carrier. Okay guys, so yeah, I really like this baby carrier. It's really handy, especially for the parents who have been using different kind of baby carrier that the shoulders start hurting. This one does not. And with the seat is really helpful. And there are so many pouch here. And also, if I haven't mentioned before, the pricing for this thing is very reasonable. It's very cheap. So yeah, but it's very sturdy. I don't think you need to worry about the quality of this thing. It's quite sturdy. And also, it's just so convenient. For the mommies out there, you can just carry one less thing. The less thing you need to worry about, the better, right? Yeah, this concludes the unboxing and review for the SUNVENO baby carrier. I strongly suggest you guys to, if you haven't buy a baby carrier yet, give this a try. I think this is one of the easiest to use and the better ones out there. So yeah, let me know what you think, or do you have a baby carrier that you really like? And just comment down below. And also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Until next time.